Okay, for this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use filters in Photoshop. So go ahead, open up Photoshop, create a new document, file new. Let's make it 7.5 inches by 10 inches by 200 resolution. And click OK. And then I want you to open up an image into Photoshop by going File, Open. And you're going to navigate to the Make and Share folder in Room 412 Teacher Station. Make and Share. Go to Graphics folder, Images, and look for the image that says Face. Click Open. Okay, we're going to select all of this object by Command A to select all, or select all. Come back to our untitled new document and paste. Command V to paste. Oh, hold on. And then we're going to apply some filters. So here's what we do. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this tool. It's called the Marquee tool, or rectangular marquee tool. Okay, and we have a new layer in our background here. That's the face, first face layer. I want you to just select an eyeball. I want you to copy it, Command C, and I want you to paste. And so you'll see a new layer. And if I click on my Move tool, I'm just going to move that eye up above. Okay, let's do this 3 times. So click back to layer 1. I'll select the other eye this time. Copy, paste. I'm going to use the Move tool and move that eye up. Move to the other side. And I'll just do one more time with one more eyeball. So click on Marquee tool, click on layer 1, select an eye, copy, paste, and go ahead and drag that up. Okay, so we have now 4 different layers, right? Each layer has different eyeballs and or full face. So let's click on where it says layer 2, which is the first eye that we selected and copied, and just go to Filter, Artistic, Color Pencil. Okay. Now what this does is it brings up another window that you can see that there's each one of these, and this is the artistic folder, which was that drop-down menu in Filter. There was artistic, brushstrokes, distort, sketch, stylize, and texture. All these are different categories of filters. And within each category, there's a set number of other filters. So I could click color pencil, or fresco, or palette knife, paint daubs, right? You can see there's all these different types of filters that you can use, okay? For each of the different filters, there's a set of parameters, okay? So if I click on Neon Glow, there's glow size and glow brightness, or plastic wrap. There's the detail by which it, or the highlight strength, okay? You know, so each filter has its own parameters by which you can change and alter the image, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to just pick one of these artistic ones that looks kind of interesting to you. I like that. Brush detail, shadow intensity, looks kind of interesting to me. The texture, gets a little bit more texture. All right, I like it. Okay, so just click and then click OK. Okay, so now you see just applied a filter. If I don't like it, edit, undo. Okay, so all I want you to do is just I want you to go to the next layer now. And I want you to apply another filter, this time from a different one. So you can look in Distort or Render or Sharpen. Let's go to Sketch right here. Sketch, and let's go to Bas Relief, okay? So these are, the sketch is kind of interesting too. You can make it look like an actual pen like it was drawn, or note paper with a little, you know, kind of embossing on it, okay? Halftone pattern, plaster, okay? Some interesting kind of effects in here. Chrome eye, I like that actually. So the detail. detail by which we can kind of pull out some of the detail, kind of smooth it out a little bit. That's kind of cool. All right, but I'll go graphic pen. Okay, graphic pen. Find one, click OK. Okay, and just basically do 3 different filters for each one of the different ones. But I'd like you to try to go through and see as many as you can. So I'm on layer 4 now. So layer 4 filter. Let's do pixelate and see what happens. Fragment. Okay. Let me undo that. Like that. So let me do filter artistic again. I'm sorry. So I've got this. I'm going to just go through here. So sketch, distort, stylize. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. Glowing edges. Yeah, there we go. I like that one. Okay. So you can play around with kind of, what happens with that. Kind of cool. Okay. All right. So you can see how filters work. Do one last filter on the main face. Ocean ripple. All right, sure, why not? It makes it look like she's behind a shower glass or something. Click OK. Boom. All right, so that's all you need to do for this lesson is just go practice a bunch of different filters. When you're done with that, applying a filter to each of those different layers, File, Save As, your username, Filters, and save it to your Documents folder inside your username folder, and then just turn it into the Dropbox.